coffee lover, take a seat. Let the stars and cats make your day complete. From Aries to Pisces, a cosmic blend. Zodiac cats are your coffee friend. Black mugs so sleek, they're shining bright. A white Zodiac cat, pure delight. Sip your brew with celestial style. Every sign, every cat makes you smile. Zodiac cats, coffee chats, perfect for your mornings or late night relax. From Cats-a-Tonic, they're one of a kind. Cosmic mugs for your peace of mind. Taurus takes it slow, sipping with care. Leo's bold with a coffee flair. Gemini chats with a double shot, while Capricorn's brewing their perfect plot. No matter your sign, the stars align. Cats-a-Tonic mugs make your day shine. Gift them, keep them, they're a work of art. A Zodiac cat for every heart. Zodiac cats, coffee chats, perfect for your mornings or late night relax. From Cats-a-Tonic, the one of a kind. Cosmic mugs for your peace of mind. So grab your mug, let's raise a toast to the stars and cats we love the most. Zodiac cats, they're calling you. Made by Cats-a-Tonic, it's time to brew. Zodiac cats, coffee chats, perfect for your mornings or late night relax. From Cats-a-Tonic, they're one of a kind. Cosmic mugs for your peace of mind. Cosmic mugs for your peace of mind.